Your brain is lying to you every single day. It makes you procrastinate, forget important stuff, lose focus after 5 minutes, and randomly remember cringe moments from 2016 at 3 a.m. But here's the crazy part. Scientists actually understand why this happens. In the book Brain Rules, neuroscientist John Medina breaks down 12 powerful rules about how the human brain really works. And once you understand these rules, you can literally learn faster, think sharper, and stop working against your own mind. So today we're breaking down all 12 brain rules in the simplest way possible with real-life examples. Let's get into it. Rule 1. Exercise boosts brain power. Your brain was built for movement. Back in the day, humans walked miles every day just to survive. Now, most people sit like frozen statues all day scrolling reels. And your brain hates that. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, which improves focus, memory, creativity, problem solving. Ever notice how your mind feels clearer after a walk? That's not random. Your brain literally performs better when your body moves. Even a 20-minute walk can boost mental performance. So yeah, walking is basically free brain DLC. Rule 2. The human brain evolved to survive. Your brain cares more about survival than happiness. That's why your brain instantly notices danger, negativity, embarrassment, drama, but ignores boring stuff like homework. Back then, paying attention to danger kept humans alive. Today, your brain still reacts the same way. You forget what your teacher said 10 minutes ago, but remember that embarrassing thing you did 5 years ago, because emotional moments burn deeper into memory. Your brain is basically a survival machine running ancient software. Rule 3. Every brain is wired differently. No two brains are exactly alike. Everyone learns differently because everyone's experiences shape their brain differently. That's why some people learn visually, some through practice, some through listening. One student studies for 2 hours and understands everything. Another studies for 6 hours and still feels lost. Different brain wiring. So stop comparing your learning speed to everyone else. Your brain has its own operating system. Rule 4. We don't pay attention to boring things. Attention is your brain's currency, and boring information gets ignored instantly. Your brain loves stories, emotion, surprises, patterns. You can binge a 2-hour movie without checking your phone, but reading one textbook page feels like punishment from the universe. That's because emotion grabs attention, and attention creates memory. This is also why great YouTubers use hooks in the first few seconds. If you don't grab attention fast, people mentally leave the room. Rule 5. Repeat to remember. Your brain deletes information it thinks is useless. So if you learn something once and never revisit it, your brain goes, cool, trash it. You probably forgot most of what you studied last year, but you still remember lyrics from songs you replayed 500 times. Why? Repetition. The brain strengthens connections when information repeats over time. That's why spaced repetition works way better than cramming all night before exams. Rule 6. Remember to repeat. Timing matters. Your brain remembers information better when repetition happens in spaced intervals, not all at once. Watching one 10-hour study session won't magically make you smart, but studying a little every day, that sticks. It's like going to the gym. One massive workout won't transform your body overnight. Consistency wins. Always. Rule 7. Sleep well, think well. Sleep is not laziness. It's brain maintenance. While you sleep, your brain organizes memories, repairs itself, clears waste, improves learning. Ever pull an all-nighter and suddenly forget basic information during the test? Yeah, that's your exhausted brain crashing. People flexing, I only sleep 4 hours, are basically nerfing their own intelligence. Your brain needs recovery. No sleep equals low performance. Simple. Rule 8. Stressed brains don't learn well. Short stress can help, but constant stress destroys brain performance. When stress stays too long, your brain shifts into survival mode, and survival mode weakens memory, focus, creativity, During stressful moments, people forget easy answers they already know. That's because stress hijacks thinking. Modern life keeps people stressed nonstop. Notifications, deadlines, money problems, comparison, social media. Your brain thinks danger is everywhere. And honestly, that mental overload cooks people. Rule 9. Stimulate more senses. The more senses involved in learning, the stronger the memory becomes. Your brain remembers better when learning includes visuals, sound, movement, emotion. Watching a cooking video helps more than reading a recipe paragraph. Why? Because your brain absorbs multisensory information better. This is why teachers using visuals, stories, and demonstrations are way more memorable. Rule 10. Vision trumps all other senses. Humans are visual creatures. Your brain processes visuals insanely fast. You probably remember YouTube thumbnails more than video titles, or movie scenes more than exact dialogue. That's why diagrams help learning, visuals improve memory, and good editing keeps viewers hooked. Your brain loves pictures. Honestly, text alone bores the brain pretty fast. Rule 11. Male and female brains are different. Men and women process stress and emotions differently. That doesn't mean one is smarter, just different wiring. In stressful situations, some people focus on details. Others focus on the big picture, different brain responses. The point is understanding differences instead of pretending everyone thinks the exact same way. Rule 12. We are natural explorers. Humans are naturally curious. Curiosity helped humans survive and evolve. Your brain learns best when genuinely interested. You can remember random facts about your favorite game instantly, but forget textbook info after 1 hour. Because curiosity activates attention, and attention activates learning. That's why boring education fails so many people. Your brain was built to explore, question, and discover, not just memorize and repeat. So after all 12 brain rules, here's the biggest lesson. Your brain is not broken. Most people just use it the wrong way. Move more, sleep better, focus deeply, reduce stress, stay curious. Because once you understand how your brain actually works, you stop fighting yourself. And that changes everything. Now, real talk. I want to know from you which of these 12 brain rules are y'all going to start using in your life first? And which rule hit you the hardest or made you think differently? Drop it in the comments. I'm trying to see what stuck with y'all the most. If you enjoyed this summary, subscribe for more powerful book breakdowns and self-improvement content. And remember, the brain is either your greatest weapon or your biggest enemy. See you in the next one.